Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Speak with Indu. How are you all guys? I'm good. I hope you all are good and learning English every day, improving every day. Today I will share you how you speak English fluently after just 30 days using ChatGPT. First, I will tell you a short story. There was a boy, he watched videos, but he didn't practice. That's why he didn't spoke. One day he realized his mistake and he started to practice every day with the help of ChatGPT. After some days, he started speaking. He became confident. So what do you learn? You also practice with the help of ChatGPT. Start practicing with the help of ChatGPT. I will share you how to use ChatGPT in smart way. First 1 to 10 days, you have to just focus on simple sentences like open ChatGPT and ask ChatGPT to give small simple sentences. Then ChatGPT gave, for example, I am eating, I am drinking water, I am standing, I am sitting, I am feeling tired, I am happy, and you have to repeat again and again for first to 10 days. After 10 days, 11 to 20 days, you have to speak every day with ChatGPT. Now ask ChatGPT, please speak with me. Then ChatGPT started to speak with you. So speak every day with ChatGPT, and yes, don't afraid of making mistakes because ChatGPT will not punish you. ChatGPT will not going to laugh at you, not mock at you. ChatGPT simply improves your speaking skills. So start speaking simple sentences with ChatGPT, and ChatGPT will correct you. Yes, and you also feel confident. Like ChatGPT speak with you simple sentences like what are you doing? You reply I'm learning English, I'm improving, like this. Try to speak every day because when you speak you improve. You want to speak English, so you have to speak because English is the skills and skills need practice. Without practice you are not able to speak. So practice every day because practice makes man perfect. If you don't practice you are not able to speak. So practice every day. You can also practice in front of the mirror. Just stand in front of the mirror and start speaking just for 10 to 15 days every day. Because consistency is the key to success. If you don't speak every day, you are not able to speak fluently and confidently. You are not able to improve. So speak every day. Practice every day.